welcome to my channel. And in the last topic we have discussed about an important topic, and that topic was pointer to array of functions in C. Now we are moving on to the pointer to function in C. So this is a new topic in which we will discuss how the pointer can point to the function also. Like the pointer to the normal variables, we can also use pointers to point the functions. So in this video we will learn how to use function pointers with an example. So question arises, is each function has unique memory address because the pointer can only store the address. So like a normal variable, when we are going to declare a normal variable and that variable address can be stored into some pointer variable. Similarly, the question arises, is each function has unique memory address that can be allocated to a pointer? Yes. Like every variable, functions also has unique memory address. Let us see with the help of an example, can we print the address of the function? Is it possible? So let us be moved to the your Visual Studio Code, then click on the new file, and then I am going to make a pointer to function. So giving the name here pointer underscore to underscore function dot C. So in this program we will check whether the function is stored at some memory location. Is the function will take some memory location? Is the function will take some space in the memory? Yes. We will look with the help of example. So first of all, what we need to define the header file here. So header file is stdio.h. That is the common header file we use in each of every program. Every time when we are going to print something, we are going to reading some data from the user. Generally we use this header file, standard input output header file. Now what I need to do, I just need to declare a normal function. So in my case I am going to declare a normal function which name is hello function. So this is the normal function I am going to declare. In this function I am just going to print something here, printf hello welcome in my channel. So I'm just going to print this message to here, and this function I have declared here. Now I need to declare the main function. So this is the integer main function. In this main function I'm going to print the address of the function. So how can I print? With the help of printf function. So this is the most common printf function we use now. This is the address of hello function equal to %p. Now why I am going to use this %p? This is some case special format specifier which is used to print the address only. The address will be printed in the form of either the 8-bit form, or it may be either into the hexadecimal form. So it may print the address in the octal form or into the hexadecimal form. So %p generally used for printing the pointer, or you can call the printing the address. So %p is a special kind of format specifier we are going to use. Then we are going to use /n for printing the your output in the next line. Then I'm just going to passing here the parameter hello. Now what is hello is here? Hello is a function there. So we are just going to print the hello. So what it means, we are going to print the address, memory address of the function. We are not going to use this ampersand or all, because the hello is a function whose memory address, that means the, like in the case of a array, the 0th element address is stored directly into the array name. So when we are going to print the address of the array, we can give the address of the array equal to %p comma array name. Similarly, we can also give the function name itself. So we are going to give here the function name, that is your hello. Then we need to return here 0 because we have taken the return type of the main function which is which is integer. Now save it and then execute this one. So when we are going to execute it, you can see that whether it will print the address of hello function. Yes, it will print the address of the hello function. So compiled successfully, the program has been compiled successfully. And you can see that this is printing the address of the hello function in the form of a hexadecimal form. So yes, each function has a unique memory address. and the pointer generally point to the starting location of the function. So now question arises, what is the pointer to the function? That means it is possible a pointer can point to a function. Now how it can point to some function here? Let us see with the help of an example. First of all, I am just going to declare a normal variable here. This is integer. I am taking here the a. In this case, integer a normal variable I am taking and giving the assigned value 10. Then I am going to declare pointer variable. So this is your pointer variable ptr. Now the ptr can contain the address of a. Similarly, the pointer can contain the address of the function. That means here we can say that this pointer is pointing to the variable a. Similarly, the function address can be stored to the pointer. So in that case, we will call it as a pointer to the function in C. But the question arises, is it simple to print the address of the function? Is it simple to assign the address of the function to a pointer? No. We must have to use some special thing, and the special thing is we use in this case function pointer syntax. Now what syntax we are going to use? Function pointer syntax. Now what is the syntax of this function pointer? So first of all, what we just need to write here the void. So this is void, and then use this special operator star. I'm going to use this pointer ptr, and then this is the function bracket. The most important thing that must keep in mind when we are going to use the function pointer, we must enclose the function pointer variable with this braces, like this is star ptr, because we are going to use the function pointer. So this is special kind of a pointer function, or you can call it as a function pointer, which are going to take the address of the function. Here the star ptr is the function pointer capable of referring the function whose return type is void, and we will not take any argument in this case. We will never take any argument in case of a function pointer. So that is a special kind of a function pointer which can contain the address of the function here. Similarly, if we want to point a function whose return type is integer and it takes one integer argument, so how we can declare it? Normal, because the return type must be of integer. So I am taking here the integer, then star ptr, this is star ptr, and then I am taking here the integer type. So declaration would be like this one. Now come to the most important thing. Come back to our main topic, referencing and dereferencing of the pointer. Referencing means to declare the correct function pointer and assign function address to the pointer. So we are going to take here the another topic we are going to discuss, that is called referencing and dereferencing. Referencing means we are going to assign the address of the function to a particular pointer and with the help of a function pointer. And dereferencing means how we can print the how we can use the pointer to print any functions process, or you can the function which are going to be performed. So now come to this point, referencing and dereferencing. Referencing and dereferencing of function pointer. Now come to this one part. First of all, referencing, that means we need to declare two things must be keep in mind. So first of all, we declare correct function pointer. Then second, we will assign function address to that pointer. So how we can do that? Let us see with the help of an example. So first of all, I am just going to make here the function normal function whose return type is void. So this is void. This is your hello function. Then I am just going to print here. This is printf, and this in this case printf I am going to print hello, welcome to my class. LPL, learn programming languages. So this one I'm going to print in the help of this function. This is closing of this function here. Now I'm going to write here the main function. So this is the main function I'm going to write. In this main function, what I need to declare, first of all I need to declare the function pointer, and how we can declare the function pointer with the help of function pointer syntax. So function pointer syntax, how we can declare? First of all, we need to define here the return type. In my case, again, I'm going to take the void. Then I'm going to declare the star FPTR, and then the braces. So in this case, I'm just going to make this program onto the next page. So we have declared here the normal function void hello, then printf hello, welcome to my class LPL. Then we have taken the main function. In this main function, I am going to declare star FPTR, and this is the function pointer. So this is called function pointer. So once you have declared the function pointer, this function pointer can contain the address of normal function. So we have taken the normal function, which is hello. So this is the hello function. What it means? This means the FPTR is referencing the function hello. That means the starting address of the function hello is pointed by the FPTR. Or you can call it, we are going to assign the address of the function to the special variable, which is function pointer variable. Now this is written and 0 and then close. So that is the concept of called the referencing of the function pointer. Now we need to execute it, so I just need to copy it, Control C, come back to our program, come back to our Visual Studio, then click new file. So I'm going to use this referencing dot C, then click save and then create the new file and just paste here. So I need to change here the inverted braces, yes. So we have changed this, Control save and then going to execute it. So when we are going to execute it, compiled successfully. That means we have assigned successfully the address to the FPTR. So this is a simple program in which we are going to use this function pointer, and with the help of this function pointer we are storing the address of the starting address of the function hello to the FPTR. Now come to the dereferencing. Once we have reference, make the reference, so we need to dereference. Dereference means calling the actual function using the function pointer. So I need to write here dereferencing. Dereferencing. So in this dereferencing, what we will do, we are just going to calling the actual function using the function pointer. Now again we will see an example. With the help of example we will dereferencing. So we need to use this dereferencing. So first of all, again I need to define the header file. So this is your hash include stdio.h, then going to declare the same function void hello. Then in this hello function I just need to write here any statement. So I'm going to write here printf welcome to my channel learn programming language, or we can call it in short form LPL. So this print P should be in the small letters because it is a case sensitive language. Then I'm going to write a /n, and what I need to do, I'm just making here the main function. So this is the main function. I should be small. Then I'm going to take here the function pointer, and how we declare, first of all return type, then I'm going to declare star apptr. The name of the function you can change it, it is according to you, so you can, according to your choice, so you can take any other type of pointer name like star, you can take the name Ajay, you can take ptr, you can take star l star f only, that depends upon you. So we have declared here the function pointer. Now this function pointer can contain the address of the hello function. So how it can contain, just we need to give here the name only. Name means, that means we are a pointer, this pointer will point to the starting address of the function. So this fptr is referencing, so we can call it as fptr is referencing the function hello. So we have done here the referencing. Now we need to dereference. So dereference means how we can use, how we can call function pointer for calling this actual function. So for dereferencing, how we can do that, just we need to define here the function pointer. This is fptr, and then just use this braces here and then close it. So, and before closing we must have to use this return 0, because we have taken the main function return type is of integer, so we are going to take return 0. So this is called dereferencing. Dereferencing function pointer. Now save it. Now we can check it in the Visual Studio Code. So just copy it and file, new file. This is dereferencing.c. Save it, and then we need to change here the double quote. So this is double quote, I'm going to change. Yes, now the program is correct. Control save. So I'm just going to repeat it out. First of all, we have defined here the function void hello. This is going to print welcome to my channel learn programming language. We have taken the main function. In this main function we have declared here the function pointer, and how we can declare this function pointer, first of all we need to write the return type, and then we can take any pointer variable name, and with the help of this braces must be there, and then terminator. And this function pointer can point to any function starting address of the, it can take the starting address of the function. So we have assigned it hello directly, the name of the function. Then we are going to be referencing, and then we are going to use this dereferencing. Now click save and then execute this one. So when you will run this program, you will get the desired output. Yes, it should print welcome to my channel learn programming language. Yes, the compilation successfully. Now you can see the output. The output is welcome to my channel learn programming language. So today we have covered in this video a important topic. Generally the student think that this topic is very difficult to learn. No, this topic is very simple. The topic name is pointer to functions in C. So how the pointer can point to a function in C. So the question arises again. I'm going to repeat that question. Each function has a unique memory address. Yes, each function also occupies space in the memory and each function takes some memory space into your primary memory, and that address, starting address, or you can call the address of the function, we can store into a special pointer variable, and that pointer variable is called function pointer. So in the next video we will discuss, because we have used here the function pointer without any taking any arguments. Can we take the argument to that? Yes, we can also take the function pointer with the arguments. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and if you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it and comment it. Thank you.